Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is I, Zaro. And I know you may be wondering, Zaro, why are you on a bike in a motorcycle game? Hear me out. I thought this game would be cool, and I just wanted to take a little break from Battlegrounds games. So I just decided to play this game because it looked cool. We could do wheelies and stuff. Yeah. So cool, right guys? I know. Crazy. That's literally all this game is, bro. It's just riding on a motorcycle. I'm not joking. But yeah, I thought this game would be pretty cool to play with love. This guy's 31 seconds really time. I'm gonna beat that real quick. Hold on. Where have I been even going, bro? Like, I can't tell. Oh, I'm losing control. Okay. Alright. We did it. Okay, never mind. This guy's 82 seconds. It's fine. Alright, can we? Whoa, where did we just go? Oh! Oh, shoot! Okay. We're like swerving oh, okay. We're like swerving traffic right now, but it's fine. Okay, let's go into first person. Oh, we can't even go into first person. Oh my god! You know what? Yeah, okay, keep going. Go, go, go. Wait, this is actually kind of fun. Wait, what happens if we crash into a car? I wonder. Like this. Oh, okay, that's better. Okay, first person. Oh, oh, oh! That was a cop. Wait, dude, can cops chase you down for speeding? I hope not. I'm catching up to this girl. Get over here. Get over here, buddy. Yeah, white van. Okay. Bro, get over here! Bro! Oh, was that a dead person? What happens whenever you crash into a car, man? Wait, did we beat it? Is there no more cars? Oh, there is some cars. Let's do a wheelie. Yeah. W wheelie. Oh shoot. Oh, I'm catching up to this guy. Weave. Oh, back to paradise. Wheelie while we're at it. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Okay. We was getting out of control right there. Oh, another one. Okay. Keep going. Oh shoot, we lose the control. Let's respawn. Alright, we going back. First person. Come on. So what does this do? What does M do? Well, I just put it in gear 6. That means I can go faster, right? Pretty sure. I shouldn't have done that. Alright, we doing it again. Okay, come on. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see how fast. Okay. It automatically. Oh, okay. It automatically switches gears for us. Okay, that's nice. Picasso, I like it. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, we going fast. Wait, we actually going fast. Wheelie, just for the safe measures. But this isn't safe, just for the good measures. A little wheelie, you know what I'm saying? Is that a school bus? No, no, get over here. Mr. School Bus. Oh, shoot. We still good, we still good, we still good. My insurance will pay for that. Oh, is this a red light? No, 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 no. Okay, okay, cutting through here. Weave. Okay, okay, we kind of losing control. Walmart truck. Okay, okay, we got it. Okay. Oh no, we're in one of these tunnels. I didn't realize, why is there so much like paths? Is it like this in real life? Okay, we did it. Oh shoot, I forgot about run 2. Go, go, go. Step on the gas. Let's go. Yo, we actually going fast. This is sick. This game is actually cool, bruh. If y'all want to play this, link. As I was saying, link in description. But I kind of got cut off by that car. Oh wait, that's the Roblox shop. Wait, hold on. How do we buy better bikes? 1,000 gears. How do we buy better bikes? Oh, there's rewards? Oh, that's cool. There's also codes. But how do we buy better bikes? What is let's check out gear shop. Oh. Okay. Is this one better? But it's just the worst one of this! Heck no, what? Okay, I kinda want the dirt bike. Yeah, the dirt bike seems better. Okay. We saving up for the dirt bike. Alright, let's go. Let's go on our bike. Alright. I don't think I should be speeding. Yo! Ah! Okay. Nah, that's a nice car. Oh. Y'all are too slow. Yo! Oh no, get back here. No, get back here. Get back here. I'm coming for you. No, get back here. I'm telling you, get back here. Yo, I just ran into him and it died! Okay, brother. You know what? No, we can get back. Yo, I just got ran over! Yo, what's... Bro, how is the cops not giving this man the tickets? Oh, nah. Okay, let's go. Yo, this game is low-key fun, bro. I can't even lie. Okay. Leave. Wheelie. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Wheelie. Oh! This is... Wait. Let me whip out my phone while driving. Alright, I just got a new okay. We just scratched that guy's car. He's probably a little bit mad. But it's fine, because we just cut through those cars, and we just cut through that car. We going? Weave? Oh, weave? School bus? That is why you don't text and drive. Very bad thing. You know, as you could see. Okay, yeah, we got a reward. I'm trying to get that, the dirt bike. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we're chasing this bus down. Now get over here, buddy. Now get over here. Why are you stopping? Why are you stopping, buddy? You know, I'm a pit maneuver you. I'm a pit maneuver you. Oh yeah. Oh come on. Nah, get back over here. Nah, get back over here. Pit maneuver. Brake check. Brake check. Brake check. Brake check. Yo! Nah, I'm getting my get back. Hold on, he just scratched my motorcycle, bro. Weave? Oh, do the wheelie. Oh. No more crashing, okay? I'm gonna just do a wheelie for good measures. Is that a cop? Oh, not cops. We got cops now. Okay. I didn't even touch it! Okay, bro. My bike's going without me, bro. Man, matter of fact, I'm gonna just walk, bro. I'm gonna just walk there, bro. Like, I'm really just gonna walk there, bro. Hey, nobody's giving me a free ride? Man, that's crazy. Thank you, mister. Thank you. Yo, why did my screen just go back? Oh, okay. Mr. Stop. Oh, cops! Wait, hold on. Mr. Cop! Kids, don't do this. Don't do what I'm about to do. But, Mr. Cop, can I please get a pineapple sandwich? Mr. Cop, can I please get a pineapple sandwich? Mr. Cop, stop running away. Mr. Cop, can I please get a pineapple sandwich? Yo, this car's trying to cut me. Man, I'm brake checking the cop, bro. Bro, Mr. Cop, get brake check. Get brake check. Yo! Nah, I'm getting my get back, bro. I might get arrested, but like, I'm getting my get back. Kids, don't do what I'm about to do in real life. Because after all, it's just the game, and it's for the jokes. I just brake checked a cop. He almost just ran me over. I'm suing him. Free money. You know what I'm saying? Okay. No more jokes. We locking in. Is that a limousine? Dang. Alright. We going. Come on. We out. We going fast. I'm gonna be honest. Hey, good thing today's a Friday though. You know, happy Friday to everybody. Make sure everyone has a good weekend, you know what I'm saying? Well, okay. I narrowly just slept between those cars. Okay, we kinda cooking, eh? Yeah. I'm kinda cooking. I'm cooking, man. I swear I'm cooking. Wheelie? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wheelie? Wheelie? This is so not safe. Oh, Mrs. Woman. That was a bacon. I wish they gave you like a little motorcycle helmet. That would be cool. Or maybe they do. I'm just dumb. Who knows? Go. But what does this end? It's just straight driving at this point. Bro, like, are we like going to like Africa? Oh, no, wait, that sounds wrong. We going to like Brazil? Oh yeah, okay, leave. I didn't realize how fast we're going right now. This has to be illegal. We're going like 120 right now. Ooh, okay. Alright, that's the end of run 2. Run 3. Okay. There's gonna be a lot more cars, I'm guessing. Okay, I was correct. There is a lot more cars. Okay, why do I feel like I'm going a lot faster? Okay, leave. Okay, leave. Wheelie. Is that the statue of Barcelona over there? What the? Where are we, bruh? I don't know where we are, but I'm just singing the song cause I kinda want to go cause I want to cause I need to go and now I wonder make my way back home. Actually, I don't know cause I don't know where home is anymore. No, big ass statue. Yo, this music is fire coming from the radio. Totally from the radio. Yo, that guy just died in front of me!